Hey there, welcome to Abhay Reviews. My name is Abhay. I'm a digital marketer, and in this channel, I do daily reviews of upcoming softwares and courses so that you can get the best deal on them. In this video, you will be watching this software's review, and if you want to check the software during this review, there's a direct link in my description as well as in the comment section. Go there, check it out. But I suggest you watch this video first.
Let's cut the BS. If you want to make passive income online, you need to sell something. You need a buy button that people can click 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Even when you're sleeping. But for many of us, selling online is easier said than done. After all, there are lots of regular people out there with nothing to sell. No technical expertise. No products. No services. And no significant money to invest. Maybe you're one of them. If so, I want to tell you that all is not lost. The e-commerce industry was worth a reported $5.7 trillion in 2022. It's going to grow this year, grow next year, and grow the year after that. What does that mean to ambitious entrepreneurs like you? It means that if you're not running your own e-com store, you're leaving money on the table. Potentially a lot of cash. Life-changing amounts. Well, now the bad news is out of the way, let me tell you good news. In years gone by, you needed tens of thousands of dollars to set up an e-com store. You needed design. You needed web development. You needed stock. But things have changed. In 2023, you can set up an e-commerce store without stock. And no, I'm not talking about doing anything risky like print on demand, dropshipping or arbitrage. I'm talking about loading your e-com site with products from the most trusted retailer online, Amazon. You see, Amazon has an affiliate program that pays up to 12% commission when people buy products through your website, enabling you to make hundreds of dollars just by selling one expensive item like a TV, computer, or my personal favorite, a garden office. Now you're probably thinking, creating an Amazon affiliate site must be a lot of hard work. And you'd be right if you did it the old way. Coding the website. Choosing the products. Writing unique descriptions for the products. Manually optimizing pages. It was a ton of hard work. But now, there's a new way. You see, together, my development team and I have created an AI-powered system that does everything for us. In just 5 minutes. Using nothing but voice controls. Introducing Pro eCom, the world's first voice-activated AI store builder. Pro eCom creates stunning Amazon affiliate stores with customizable themes and support for physical and digital products in just 5 minutes. Powered by AI and voice control, Pro eCom creates your stores without you needing to do any coding, writing, design, or technical work. With Pro eCom, all it takes is one voice command to generate compelling product descriptions, captivating content, and realistic product images. While built-in AI-powered SEO means your store can effectively market itself without any work from you. With Pro eCom, I've been able to profit in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Grab your copy. Step 2. Use a voice command to create your retail-ready store. Step 3. Sit back, relax, and profit. Pro eCom has revolutionized my affiliate marketing business. No longer do I need to spend weeks, months, or even years doing painstaking manual work to build my list. These days, I just command Pro eCom to create a new e-commerce store in 5 minutes and relax. It's as easy as it gets. And it works for anyone. Even those with no prior experience or technical knowledge. So you're probably wondering, how much is access to this life-changing system going to cost? Well, if you look at the life-changing results on this page, it's easy to see that the system is worth hundreds of dollars per month. But I'll tell you right off the bat, you're not going to have to pay anywhere near that if you act today. You see, we're currently in the launch phase of Pro eCom. And during this phase, I am giving an incredible deal to the first people who invest in the Pro eCom system. Therefore, if you invest today, you're not going to have to pay $197 per month. Not $97 per month. Not even $47 per month. In fact, during this extremely limited launch phase, you're not going to have to pay a monthly subscription at all. For a limited time you can secure access to Pro eCom for the incredibly low one-time fee on this page. And that's not all. I'm so confident that you'll love Pro eCom that I'm including a 30-day money-back guarantee. And the incredible bonus stack listed on this page. So act now to secure your spot before the price increases. See you on the inside.